Listen, if you want to get good return on your dollar investment on Facebook ads platform come 2023 and beyond 2023, you need to adhere to this 5 proven framework shared by Meta itself. So these are best practices you need to follow if you want to be favored by the algorithm and if you want to get good sales conversion on the ads platform. I'll dissect all of this framework in this particular video. If you are ready, then keep watching this video. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now during this period of the year, I actually make some forecasts of what to expect on the Facebook ads platform in the coming year. So I did something similar last year, and most of the things that I talked about actually came to pass. Now here's the thing, you don't need to take my word for it. Just go to admksamuel.com/trends. So everything that I said will happen on Facebook ads platform this year have actually happened. Now I'm saying all of this to say that there are some things I'll be discussing in this video. Even though it's from Meta, I'll tell you the things you need to take and the ones not to take. But of course, you can decide on your own. So here is the thing. Just about a month ago, Facebook hosted their very first performance marketing summit. So in this summit, they actually discussed and introduced the new framework, which is the Performance 5. But like 3 to 4 years ago, it was called Power 5. So this is just like a framework that Facebook introduced to the media buyers on their platform, just to tell them the best practices to actually follow if they want to get good results. So these are what we'll be discussing in this particular video. Okay guys, so before we get started with that, please do well to like this video so that you can share it to more people looking for similar video tutorial, similar video solution. So guys, before we get started, please do well to like this video, hit the like button so that you can share this video to more people that are interested in similar video solution and similar video tutorial. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, probably you stumbled on this video somehow, welcome, and I would advise you subscribe to this channel because I publish valuable content just like this one you are about to watch. Okay guys, so now the very first pillar of this framework is account simplification. So what Facebook is saying in essence is you want to simplify the structure of your ads campaign or even your strategy, because some people just bombard so many ad sets, so many campaigns on one ad account. Well, this used to work before but not anymore, and the reason is because you see there is this learning phase. There is this thing called the learning phase on Facebook ads platform where the algorithm is trying to learn about your campaign and understand the best set of people to show your advert to so you can get good results. So if your structure, if your campaign are too many, clogged up and all of that, it will reduce the capacity and the ability of the algorithm to actually learn about your campaign. So this is why they introduce this account simplification. So it's just like a practice. You might decide to adhere to it or abide by it or not, but if you actually want to get good results, I would advise you do. And this is not actually a news to my students, because this was one of the first things I stated in my course. And even if you check the last, I think about 2 to 3 weeks ago, the tutorial I published on my channel where I shared my 10x strategy to get good results on Facebook ads platform. What I shared, the framework I shared in that particular video is very, very simplified. Do you get it now? So you don't want to have too many ad sets jam-packed in one campaign. I don't want to have too many campaigns on your ad account. So it's funny that people don't understand why the zero-based targeting works. People just assume it works. Why is it working? It's working because of the machine learning algorithm of Facebook ads platform. So I've been saying this on my channel. If you have been following my videos, even from last year, I've been saying this. You see, the future of Facebook advertisement is this. They want to take control of your targeting. Like, they are building algorithms. They have been doing this for a while. They are building algorithms that would help you target and show your advert to the right set of people. What they want you to do in return is have a good creative. That's what they are expecting you to do. But here is the thing, there is also a place for interest-based targeting if you want to target specific set of people, you understand, or some rich people on Facebook as platform, which I did a video on some weeks ago as well. So what I'm saying in essence is this: zero-based targeting is working because of the machine learning algorithm. So if you are having your campaign and your ad set, everything clogged up, it will be very, very hard for this machine learning algorithm to give you the best results. I hope that's very clear. Okay guys, so the second pillar of this framework is creators for direct response. So if you want to see a direct response on your advertisement, then you should try partnering with creators. And it's because creators have actually built trust, authenticity, and originality with their audience. So you can leverage on all of this to run branded content ads. So this is the way the branded content ads work. You can partner with a creator, they create content for you, and also use their account to run your advert. So this way you are not running the advert of the content they create for you. You are not running it from your own page or account. You are also running it on their own account. So it's just like you partnering with them to create content and also use their face to run your advert. And this is because people tend to believe creators, they tend to like trust creators even more than brand pages. So Facebook is just like urging businesses to also look and consider that. And this is not actually new, even though the way we do it is creating UGC, which is user generated content. This is kind of different from influencers marketing, right? But you can also leverage on that, get one of your customers to record a video or talk about what they enjoy, what they liked about your product. And you can use that based on permission. You can use that to run adverts. I've been saying this since 2021. This is 2022. So if you are not new to my channel, this should not be new to you. And again, there are different platforms, there are different ways in which you can get UGC content. This is actually one of the things I explained in my course. There are platforms and there are also processes in which you can use to get UGC content. And trust me, they convert like crazy. And again, Facebook is even recommending you budget about 50% of your total ad budget to these branded content ads. Funny enough, some of our products, we actually use 100% of our budget for this kind of ads. So it works. But if you cannot partner with influencers and creators now, depending on your product, you can also just get one of your customers to create content for you and use that. Trust me, you see results. And I would like to say this, I've noticed, you see, videos you shoot with high-end gadgets, professionally edited, might not even work for what you are selling. Just get someone to take a video selfie, if there's anything like that. Just do a selfie video, talk about your product, what they like. Everything should look natural. I was discussing this with one of my clients just last week. So that works because customers are looking for brands that they can trust now. So you don't need to make everything professional. Of course, there is a place for that. Okay, now the third pillar of this framework is creative diversification. Now, this is not kind of new. You have been running adverts on the platform because I've been saying this and most advertisers also know this. You see, when your customers sees a creative over and over again, then what happens? Creative fatigue happens. They get bored and tired of seeing that creative over and over again. And it is actually nice to see Facebook also coming out to state it clearly that this is one of the ways in which you can get good results. So what you can do now is roll out as many as possible creative styles. So there are two solutions they gave. Now the first one is testing and exploring different creative styles. I've been saying this. In fact, there is a video I created on this same channel that I talked about 7 different video ad variation. This was, I think, in 2020 or so. So just go check 2021, I mean. So just go check it out. So you don't want to be lazy as an advertiser. You want to launch out and roll out as many creative styles as possible. Now the second thing, or the second solution they gave, is creative concepts. So the idea here is to use different marketing angles to sell that same product, because the story that will resonate with me might not resonate with the next person. So you want to test different story angles, different marketing angles. So the one that resonates with the customer, then they will key into it. So you want to test different and explore different creative style. Now they also have the reels placement. You might also want to test that. Now here's the thing, use it. I advise you use UGC, but you should not limit your creatives to just UGC. Of course, test different creative styles. So whichever works, just keep using it. Okay guys, so the fourth pillar of this framework is the conversion API quality check. Now it is not news that Facebook introduced this CAPI to salvage what the damages that the iOS 14 update brought to the platform, right? Because it is very difficult for you to track your ad performance. So they introduced this so that you can establish a direct connection with your server and the Meta platform, which is the Facebook platform. Because if you cannot accurately track your ads performance, then you will not know what is actually working or not working, and you'll not be able to even optimize your campaign better. So they actually introduced this. So they are recommending you also enable this on your account. Now that is one. Now the second thing which they talked about, I will not be using the technical jargons that they use there, but what they are trying to say is, in essence, find a way to set up your pixel, your Facebook pixel, and the conversion API. Because before it was Facebook pixel that we are using, but Facebook pixel was tracking from the front end, which is your web browser. But because of the iOS 14 update, some users are not given permission for tracking. So this is actually the new way. But find a way, or just set up both Facebook pixel and conversion API. Now the second thing they are recommending here is to also check your event match quality score, which is the EMQ score. And the essence of this EMQ score is to confirm if these events, your server events, are actually matching with your ad account. Very, very important. And Facebook recommends you to have good or great score. And to check this, just go to your ad manager dashboard or business manager dashboard, then navigate to the event match tab. We will see it over there. Okay guys, so the fifth pillar of this framework is the business result validation. In summary, this is also related to the last one, but Facebook wants to be sure that, okay, their family of apps, if you are using the Facebook, Instagram, and even the audience network, they want to confirm the value of the ads you run on this platform to your business goal. Is it actually helping, is the ads actually helping you drive and increase your sales? So this is the essence. And they have introduced a new tool to confirm that, which is the conversion lift. Now this conversion lift, I think it is available to agencies, people that are using agencies account, and you can also tell your Facebook marketing expert, all these people that call you and send email that they want to like speak with you. So you can just engage with them and tell them to help you set up this particular conversion lift. So they will set it up, and from there you can confirm if Facebook is actually helping you get more sales and increase more sales. But this is optional though, but you can also check it out. Okay guys, so I want to believe this has actually been very helpful, but don't worry, this is why you should subscribe to my channel, because I'll be creating more content as regards some of the things I've discussed in this video, so you can have better understanding. And don't forget, my Black Friday offer is currently on. If you have not gotten some of my courses, this is the best time. And don't forget, the discount keeps decreasing every week. So if you are interested, just go to adelikesamuel.tech/BF. You can still jump on the Black Friday offer. And lastly guys, I'm hosting a mega webinar. This ought to have been hosted earlier, I think mid of this year, but due to one reason or the other, we'll be hosting this webinar next week, and I'm bringing a guest. Don't worry, I'll talk more about this inside my Telegram channel. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure you join my Telegram channel, https://adelikesamuel.telegram. Go there and join my Telegram channel. I will share the update. This might not be happening on my channel. This will be an exclusive live webinar. So if you want to attend and even ask my guest questions, then do well to join the Telegram channel, and I'll communicate all of this information there. So guys, that will be all for now, and I will see you in my next video.